Does this sound familiar? Conventional head-up displays project information directly above the dashboard. While cost-effective, the solution requires the driver to constantly shift sight and refocus, which leads to visual displacement and fatigue. However, there is a better solution.
DARTRAYS head-up display.
A world-first product in a class of its own. DART refers to light projection. Rays represent beams of light. DARTRAYS bring augmented reality capabilities to most modern vehicles. Driver information appears to float on top of the road, projected about 2.25 meters in front of the dashboard. This keeps all relevant information in sight without requiring the driver to ever take their eyes off the road again, and greatly reduces reaction time. Due to its optical limitations, conventional HUDs can only project images above the dashboard, often leading to visual displacement. The DARTRAYS windshield type HUD are equipped with patented optics, capable of displaying information at a far greater distance. DARTRAYS seamlessly adapts to ambient brightness. No matter what time of day, it will faithfully present driver information as clearly and comfortably as possible, making your trips safer. With our single-button control dial, the driver can answer important calls and flip through menus swiftly with a single hand. Rotate to access frequently accessed options. The Quick Access menu navigates you to saved locations with a single tap. DARTRAYS, your everyday partner.